What should you do when your Roborock S7 robot vacuum faces navigation errors like this? Don't worry. Check out how we solve problems for our customers. The customer brought us a Roborock S7 robot vacuum, which said, remove the obstacle, despite the fact that the surroundings are clear. We tried turning on the robot vacuum and investigating more deeply. Our investigation revealed a faulty bumper sensor causing the problem. So, we recommend bumper sensor replacement. But that's not all. We found another issue. Look at this, it's internally dirty. This can severely affect the robot vacuum performance. So, we recommend a deep cleaning service. Once our customers agree to our recommendations, we get to work. To ensure the robot vacuum works smoothly, we do unit tests before returning it to the customer. And just look at this, there is no doubt that the robot vacuum cleaner looks shiny and new again. Watch the robot vacuum work again with maximum performance. Don't wait any longer. Let us be your solution.